तनय गणैः साम्यक सर्म विधेयं सर्वेषां हिमगिरिसीमन्तितमस्तकमिदम् अम्बुधिपरिगतपार्श्वम् अस्मज्जन्मदमन्मदमनिशं श्रौतपुरातनमाशम् हिमगिरिसीमन्तितमस्तकमिदम् अम्बुधिपरिगतपार्श्वम् अस्मज्जन्मदमन्मदमनिशं श्रौतपुरातनमाशम्
We continue this special occasion. I would like to extend my warm greeting to all our esteemed guests, respected director sir, principal madam, dear colleagues, and my lovely students. Without further hassle, let us move forward. Now it's time to reflect on the remarkable achievements and the progress of our school over the past years. I would like to request our respected principal madam, Mrs. Anushka Jetty, to present the annual report and share the highlights of this wonderful journey. So let's welcome our beloved Anushka madam with a huge round of applause. Please ma'am, the stage is yours.
Good evening, respected guests, esteemed parents, dedicated staff members, and my dear students. It is my immense pleasure to welcome you all to our annual function Vistar and to present the annual report of Arihan Gurukulam International School. Tonight, we celebrate not just the achievements of the past year, but also the collective journey of excellence that began in academic session 2014. In our first year, we started with just 62 students and a dedicated team of 8 teaching and non-teaching staff, offering transportation facilities to ensure accessibility for all, especially those students who are coming from rural background. It was a very modest beginning, but we are driven by a vision to create nurturing environment where academics but also instills moral, cultural and social values among students. We celebrate all important national festivals. These events help our students to stay connected to their roots while embracing diversity. At Arihan Gurukulam, we believe that learning is not continued to classrooms. We organize various activities and events throughout the year to encourage all-round development. To ensure best learning environment, we are continuously upgrading our facilities. This year, I'm delighted to announce that we are developing a new campus near the Dhabhleshwar Mandir, which will further enhance the educational experience for our students. Our students have continued to excel in academics, showcasing outstanding performances in examinations. They have also represented the school in various events, earning allocates in sports, music, art, and debate. I would like to conclude by extending my heartfelt gratitude to our dedicated staff, supportive parents, and most importantly, our students, whose enthusiasm and achievements have made us proud today. As we reflect on our journey,
प्रथम भाव ना आम रखी गुरुकुलम स्कूल तो आजिका उत्सव रे आम मंच रे उपस्थित अच्छा गुरु माने अच्छा एठी कौन सी नेता नाहंती कौन सी अभिनेता नाहंती जीवन रे दुई प्रकार गुरु आवश्यक जड़े शिक्षा गुरु जड़े दीक्षा गुरु एजुकेशनल गुरु स्पिरिचुअल गुरु आजिर वार्षिक उत्सव सबुठ महत्वपूर्ण कथा होउची ये मंच रे जो माने उपस्थित अछंती सेमानक मध्य अछंती मो निजर सार बा गुरु मोर मैथमेटिक्स प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर रजनी वल्लभ दास जे कि आज मुख्य अतिथि भाव अच्छा मते से निजे पाठ पढ़ाई मोर गुरु सी शिक्षा गुरु आउ जड़े अच्छा स्वामीजी जे कि दीक्षा गुरु बा स्पिरिचुअल गुरु तांका पाखरे आउ जड़े अच्छा मोर घनिष्ठ अंतरंग प्रोफेसर एफएम धड़ जे कि जूलॉजी सॉरी बॉटनी प्रोफेसर सबु समय से मते गाइड कर सबु समय रे एबे समस्त मोर हार्दिक अभिनंदन सभा रे उपस्थित थिबा मीडिया बंधुमान माने समस्त अभिभावक मंडली मोर टीचिंग एवं नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ्स छोट छोट छात्र छात्री माने समस्त को मोर शुभेच्छा एवं अभिनंदन मु दुईटी कथा कहबी बेसी समय नेबी नहीं गोटे कथा होची गुरु परंपरा को आमे विश्वास करू बा गुरु परंपरा को नहीं आम जीवन चली तेणु एबे आमर छोट छोट पिला माने सब अछंती तांकर गुरु गुरुमा माने अछंती से जो गुरु गुरुमा माने अछंती तांका मध्यरु केते जण मोर भी स्टूडेंट अछंती अच्छा सब मजा कथा मोर भी सार मोर भी गुरु जहाँ मेसेज गला व्हाट्सएप रे जहाँ नोटिस गला व्हाट्सएप रे से व्हाट्सएप नोटिस बहाना रे हो होमवर्क बहाना रे हो पिला जे अलगा साइड को न पशिची अलगा सांग साथी सहित फ्रेंडशिप न करिची से कथा आपण केबे रिव्यू करचंती कि तेणु एटा घर घर की प्रॉब्लम वर्तमान समय रे आकु आमे जदि अनदेखा करिबा आम निज निजर अवनति हबो असुविधा हबो तेणु पुणी मु पेरेंट्स मान को अनुरोध करूची जे पिला मान को यथा संभव कम मोबाइल दियंतु एई जो कथाडा मु चुंबक रे कहली पिला माने निजे निजे होमवर्क करंतु आज जदि गोटे सह समीकरण विषय पढ़ाला गणितर पिला स्कूल रे पढ़ू शिखू जानू शिक्षक किछि एग्जाम्पल करू ता बेसिस रे घरे पिला निज परिश्रम रे निज बुद्धि रे निज ज्ञान रे सॉल्यूशन करू जदि न आसिला सी सार मैडम को पचारू थरे दिथर पांच थर पचारू रिमेडियल क्लास रहू प्रोक्टोरियल क्लास रहू एमिति हेई हेई गोटे पिला उन्नत गोटे आज्ञा गछ लगौचे आम गछटा कौन लग लग हो गछ लगेवा जेतिकी कष्ट गोटे पिला को मनुष्य तार हजार लक्षे कोटी गुण कष्ट तेणु से आम समस्ते जत्नशील हवा पड़ो समस्त पेरेंट्स अकाउंटेबिलिटी नेबा पड़ो हाल्का नेला हबनी आज्ञा तेणु ये छोट छोट कथा गुड़ा तो मुझे कहीदेली आउ विशेष कथा आगू नहीं समस्ते आउ थे पुणी कहीदे समस्त स्कूल प्रति भल सहयोग थिला अच्छी आगू को रहू यथा संभव समस्त पेरेंट्स मानू मु पुणी अनुरोध करी जार जहाँ प्रोब्लेम होची मते कहतु बा मु एई सेशन तो निजे बसबी मते कहतु मो साथ कथबार्ता करूँ मते सजेशन दिंतु जहाद्वारा कि आपण मानकर स्कूल आगू को जीवन धन्यवाद।
A heartfelt thank you for the inspiring words, sir. Your vision and encouragement are invaluable to all of us. Let's show our appreciation with warm round of applause. Thank you once again, sir. Without further ado, I will now introduce to you our distinguished guests and share a glimpse of their incredible achievements. Today, we have with us our chief guest, Dr. Rajni Ballavadas, who is a retired principal of SCS Autonomous College, Puri. Was a former visiting faculty at Ravensai University and Institute of Mathematics and Applications, Bhubaneswar, guided 13 PhD scholars, have more than 120 research publications in national and international journals, 45 years of teaching experience in different government colleges including Ravensai University, and also who is the author of 20 textbooks. We are deeply honored to have such a distinguished personality with us today. Now, I would like to request Dr. Dash to share a few words with us. Please, sir.
Respected chair, respected and esteemed guests and teachers, my dear students and learned guardians. Actually, I am a classroom teacher. I am not a public uh, I am not acquainted with this type of public meeting. But my student, the chairman of this institution, asked me to tell you some few words. That's why I have to do something for him. Actually, when I pass by this school, the very name of the school attracts me. The name of the school is Arihant Gurukulam Gurukulam International School. I think that this is a combination of Indian culture and international curriculum. But what is the meaning of Arihant? The meaning of Arihant is the conqueror of enemy. Conqueror of enemy. So human being has two types of enemies. One is external enemy, another is internal enemy. Internal enemies are more dangerous than external enemies. Who are internal enemies? Internal enemies are our, as Hindu philosophy says, षडरिपुज काम, क्रोध, मोह, लोभ, मद, मात्सर्य. Kama means lust or desire. Krodha means anger. Lobha means greed. Moha means attachment. And Mada means ego. Regarding their dealings with with the students. So, don't harbor any ill intention of their children. And some whose kids may be there. So try to control the whose kids with love and affection. And encourage your students to ask questions. Don't discourage them. Some students may have more information than you. So, if they have more information than you, then update yourself to deal with them. Then, don't discourage the students anyway. So it is too late, and other speakers will speak something. So the name of this function is Bhistar. So when I heard about Bhistar, Bhistar means this is a website actually, government websites regarding agriculture. But Bistar means expansion also. So I hope there will be expansion in future. There will be good expansion of this school and good expansion of knowledge of the students of this school. With good hope about the school, I complete my speech with thanks to college authority, a school authority, for giving me opportunity to share some few words. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your enlightening words. We are truly grateful for the wisdom and inspiration you have shared with us today. It is now my distinct honor and privilege to introduce our esteemed guest of honor for this occasion, Swami Satya Chaitanya ji. He has completed his formal education with mechanical engineering. He has initiated into sannyasa by Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankara ji in his 2.5 decades of service in the art of living organization, serving various projects like developing tribal schools in Jharkhand, handling administrative duties as ashram for more than 2 decades. He has been contributed in establishment of centers of knowledge across India, instrumental in spreading knowledge of Upanyanam through the Vedic Dharma progress across India. He has vast experience of handling mega events like World Cultural Festival at Delhi, Navratri and Shivratri celebrations at Bangalore. Swamiji is passionate about Vedic heritage, Upanishads, Vedic knowledge and their practice applications in modern life. Swamiji is currently serving as the Director Operations of Sri Sri University. With great respect, I now request our esteemed guest of honor, Swamiji, to come to the podium to address the gathering. Let's have a huge round of applause.
ॐ सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मत्श्रीश्रीगुरुपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Good afternoon, going into evening. Are you all here? सब लोग यहाँ पे हैं? कोई है जो नहीं है? It's a great occasion to be called upon an event, an annual event organized by Arihanta Gurukul. As sir has already given the details of what it means and how important it is, we have all acknowledged the growth of Indian system of knowledge. हम सबके घर में पढ़ाते हैं, रामायण महाभारत कथा कहानी सब पढ़ाते हैं. हमने भी बहुत पढ़ा है, भगवत गीता हम सब ने पढ़ा है, बचपन से ही पढ़ा है, राइट? लेकिन प्रश्न उठता है इसको जीवन में कैसे उतारें. जब वो सिचुएशन आती है, काम क्रोध मोह लोभ, कहते हैं कि नहीं करना चाहिए, लेकिन जब गुस्सा आता है तो क्या करें? क्या करना चाहिए? क्या कर सकते हैं? तो इसीलिए आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग में गुरुदेव बच्चों से लेके बड़ों को सबको यही बताते हैं, थोड़ी देर थोड़ा ध्यान. हमारा श्वास, what we breathe is connected with our emotions. जो हमारा मन है वो हमारे श्वास के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. अगर आपको ध्यान आता हो, जब आप गुस्सा होते हो तो सांस कैसे तेज चलती है कि नहीं? जब दुखी होते हैं तो लंबी सांसें चलती हैं. जब खुश होते हैं तो पता ही नहीं चलता सांस ले भी रहे हैं. तो इसका अर्थ है कि मन और हमारा श्वास जुड़ा हुआ है. और मन और श्वास जुड़ा हुआ है, इसका अर्थ मन को हम मन से नहीं पकड़ सकते. हम बहुत